Welcome, everyone. It's a UMIDIGI One Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a SIM ejector like this one. You can provide it with the device. You can find it somewhere in the box, but if you don't feel like it, you can always use a paper clip and it will work just as well. So to start off, let's pop out the tray, which is on the upper left side. And from here you'll have access to a SIM tray and SD tray, or both if I'm correct. Let me just check it. Yep, it looks like this takes also two different SIM cards instead of one SD card. So you could put on the tray for the SD card, you can put a SIM card, or if you want to use one of each, you would just put it like so. And there we go. So it go like this, and make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and once they are, you can just slide it back into the device, and from here it should stop me with there we go, pin for the SIM card. So let me just put that in here. So as you can see, the SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is as well, based on the message right here. So that is how you insert SIM and SD into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.